HashPro is an Android app that came out recently, as well as a few other apps that had a few similar features, but this one stood out the most to me. And it's another kind of clone like the blue Bitcoin mining app, the green BTC coin app, or tap mining, which I recently reviewed. But the biggest difference for this app is they have a special offer here, where you click this, and you'll see here that only for $1.99 you can get 340 gigahash per second. Now the big difference with this and other apps that give you this $1.99 deal is that they usually give you 200, so 340 is significantly better. And as I was breaking down the stats, I found out that you get 43.7 sats per day for 1 terahash per day, which means at 340 gigahash per second, I'm earning 12.24, which comes out to 4,468 sats per year. And you can see I broke down the Bitcoin prices from 70,000 to 100,000. And this will earn over 100% APR. And we don't know how long this will last. This is an actual Google Play app, but none of these have shut down so far. So as long as it makes it over a decent amount of time, this could be definitely worth your time. Now, one thing I wanted to quickly go over is the free ads. Now, I usually promote platforms that have a free option, but really this is more about the $1.99 deal. And really what it comes down to is you're only going to earn less than 1/4 of a sat per ad you watch. Just not worth it in my opinion. And if you watch my tap mining review video that came out, this is very similar to that, except for the deal is better. And this isn't early access. You can actually check out reviews, which are pretty good from what I've seen. So I personally am going to make a few more $1.99 purchases, just see where it goes. And then, I'll wait probably 2 or 3 months, see how many sats I've earned, and then make a full review video. And while I don't currently plan on buying any other miners, we'll see where Bitcoin's price is at that point, and I'll just break down every option just in case. Maybe it'll be worth it at this point, but for now, the $1.99 is much, much better of a deal. Next, I want to show you a quick withdrawal tutorial to a speed wallet. I only had 250 sats, but that should be good enough anyway. So in your wallet tab, you're going to click redeem, and then click the Lightning Network. You can see we're at speed, so we're going to flip to that. Click receive, and then in my amount, I'm going to put 250 sats because that's what I'm doing. Click submit. I'm going to copy my address and head back to HashPro. Now I'm going to put in 0.000025 for 250 sats. And then I'm going to paste my address and then click redeem now. And about 8 hours later, the sats were sent directly to my speed wallet. So that's pretty much it with the app. It's a pretty simple miner. There's no referrals. Stick with the $1.99. This isn't financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and just please do not invest more than what you can afford to lose. But for a low risk miner, I definitely think this is worth checking out, and I'll keep you updated if anything changes as well. And also, I mentioned that there were new apps just like this. I'll be breaking those down as well. We'll see if they're worth it compared to this. Maybe this will just be better, like, as my tier list, this could be a higher tier. We'll just see how it goes. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. I do my best to find the best Bitcoin and crypto cloud mining apps and break them down as well as I can. And like I said, there's no referrals for this app, but if you feel like you get value out of these videos, I have memberships available for 99 cents a month. I don't take any direct sponsorships from any of these cloud mining apps, so all these videos are unbiased, and when you do buy a membership, it really helps the channel and is greatly appreciated. And as always, I appreciate y'all for watching, and until next time, I'll see you up in the clouds.